In the video for today, I'm going to give you an idea through which you could probably recover your deleted YouTube channel. Now, the first thing is, there are two simple reasons why a YouTube channel gets deleted. Okay, it's not easy actually to recover a deleted YouTube channel, but you need to understand these two simple reasons, and only then you could request a recovery for your channel even after it is deleted. Okay, the first reason is that maybe you went to the YouTube settings or Google settings and you by mistake deleted the channel of your account. And the second reason could be that your channel was deleted by YouTube because your channel went against the community guidelines. Now, for the first reason, you may be able to recover your deleted YouTube channel. But for the second reason, you are not going to be able to recover your YouTube. So after you delete your YouTube channel and you log into your YouTube account, you're not going to probably see a link to view your channel. Okay, like how I can to view mine. All right, so I just click on the menu icon out here to the right, and then I click on view your channel. I'm directed to this page on which I can view my channel. All right, but for you, it is going to be blank. It's going to be like there's nothing out here or something on those lines. Okay, whatever is the latest emoji or whatever term they use on YouTube out here, you're going to see nothing. Okay, apart from that. So in order for you to recover your YouTube channel, simple, you just have to get connected with YouTube and try and work with them to see if they can help you recover a deleted channel. Now, why I'm saying this is because of the fact that if YouTube can recover a deleted YouTube video or a couple of videos that you may have deleted by mistake, why can't they recover a channel for you? Why not, right? I mean, we can definitely give it a try. So in order for you to do that, you need to get in touch with YouTube directly to do this. So in order for you to get in touch with YouTube, just click on the menu icon to the left out here. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu, click on Contact Us, and then you're going to be directed to this page on which you see a lot of data for media relations, security, legal issues, additional contact information, and so on and so forth. Just scroll right down and you copy this email address and send an email to these guys directly. Now, since I'm in India, this is going to be my local email address, but if you're in the US or maybe UK or maybe Canada or Malaysia or Sri Lanka or Bangladesh or wherever, you may just see a different email address out here. Just copy that email address and send a request to reinstate your channel, giving them a reason. Now, for example, let me pull up my notepad. I have prepared an email which may just work for you. Hi team, this is in relation to my deleted YouTube channel. My name is, just put in your name here. Don't put in the brackets, okay, just your name. And my channel name handle ID is this. Okay, do not include it in these square brackets. YouTube doesn't like that. I had deleted my YouTube channel by mistake on, just put in an approximate date. You don't have to remember the exact date. I would like to see if you could kindly help me to recover my YouTube channel with all its videos shorts. Now you're asking them for help, right? So you have to give them a reason. So you're giving them a reason that it's very important for me because I had all my kids' videos uploaded out there on my channel, or whatever may be the reason. Why do you want to recover your channel again after you had deleted it? So I'll be leaving this email template in the description. You could just copy this template and just paste it and do the needful as I've requested in the video for today. Okay, just copy it and get onto your email address and you send these guys an email. Just paste it out here. So you copy this email address and you get back to your email and then you paste it out here. And then in the subject line, you just put in request to reinstate accidentally deleted YouTube channel and do the needful out here. Okay, just put in your data within wherever the brackets are. Okay, just change it. My name is, just put in your name out here. Okay, your ID. All right, I'm sure you get it, right? And then you send this email to these guys and you're definitely going to get a response from them within 48 to 72 working hours. And I'm very much sure you could work with YouTube and try and recover your deleted YouTube channel. I hope this helps in a way, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.